So Google just released this new feature that's gonna make it easier for you to run YouTube ads. And here's everything you need to know about this feature and how to make it work for you. So the feature that they just rolled out is the new Google Ads Transparency Library. So just like Facebook has its library where you can go and see the ads that people are running, Google has now released its library. So you can find an advertiser and you can figure out what ads they're running so that you can go see all the ads that are being run by a certain company. When you see those ads, you click on these little 3 dots and this little ad center is gonna come up. And then you can see down here the see more ad. So when you click on that, what that's gonna do is pop up a new tab, and that's gonna show you the ads transparency library, where it's gonna show you all the ads that that business is running. And here we can see all of the ads that this company's running. You can see they've got search, display. Here under formats, we can actually just go check out all their video ads. So now we can see all the ads that these guys are running on YouTube and different display channels, and you can click on any one of these ads to actually get it to pop up and start playing. This is great to figure out what's working. So you can check out different ads that people are running, different hooks that are working, and you can add these different ideas to your swipe file and use this as inspiration for your own ads. I would definitely say, like, check out ads in your industry, check out competitors. You can also check out companies in other industries because you can find lots of great ideas. I mean, this example here, these guys VShred. These guys are amazing at coming up with different hooks and ideas. Now, it's not quite as complete as the Facebook ad library, because where the Facebook ad library, you can just go search for pages and topics and see all the ads that are running. With Google Ads, the only way that I figured out how to do this so far is to actually find a Google search ad from a company. And then you can click on that ad and see all of the ads that those people are running. One tip would be that if you want to check out a certain company's ads, most companies are running branded searches. So they run ads on their brand name. So you can search for the brand name and find their ad. Or again, you could just search on a topic or keywords that they'd be running ads on and get their ads to pop up. Now, the other amazing tool, and the tool that I would say works even better than this, is vidtow.com. So if you've never checked out Vidtow, you can go and create a free account with them. And what this does is this indexes and saves all of the YouTube ads that they can find running. And what you can do, just like any other spy competitor tool, is you can come in here, you can search for brands or keywords, and not only can you see what ads they're running, but more valuable, you can see how many views those ads have gotten. And as we know, people don't usually spend a bunch of money on ads to get views to ads that aren't converting. So the more views it has, the more likely that it's converting. And what you can do is you can build your own and save your own swipe file here of all the different ads that you see running to get inspiration in your space and in other spaces. You can look for hooks, you can look for ad frameworks and different ideas that you can implement in your own business. The great thing about Vidtow is it's totally free. So you can use this for all kinds of ideas. You don't have to pay anything for it. They do have a premium membership where they've got some training, you can get some more search time and all of that stuff. I find it to be super valuable. We subscribe to Vidtow because the guys are awesome and they just have a great tool and we use it all the time. So that is how you use the new Google Ads library. So the next thing to do is watch this video right here, because this video is going to show you everything you need to know to go from a total beginner to actually crushing it with YouTube ads. So check out this video right here and I'll see you over there.